Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Faith and Pictures. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change language on Shein shopping app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein app first. Make sure you log into it. After that, you can see this new button on the bottom right corner. So let's tap on this. Now on the top right corner, we can see this setting icon or the gear icon here. Simply tap on this. Now, if you scroll down, we can see this change language option. And English is selected here. So let's tap on this. And here's another language here. You can choose any language you want and simply tap on the language you want and get back. After this, your language will be finally changed. So this is all we can do to change language on Shein shopping app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.